What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to have a JavaScript skeleton. That's what we're going to create today. So let's just go ahead and continue this, I believe. It doesn't show it over here, so it's not showing me like it's going to go below it. But we're just going to assume right here. So let's see, the code below is shown in order, but broken down into smaller parts. First, to ensure that you can access key parts of the page, you will need to manipulate or access later on the code. What's going on? What is going on? Okay, there we go. Alright, so we have document, get element by ID, webcam. What else we got? Const, live view, document, get element, live view. Yeah, quite a few of these. So, yeah. Demo section. Get element, demos, enable. Enable webcam button, document. That's it, right? We can now add some assistive functions to check. Actually, before I move forward, let me save this one. Let me move over here. Let's just make sure everything's running properly. Yeah, so right here we're getting an error. Cannot set properties of null, setting inner text. Status, get element by ID, status. There's no status, let me look for it. Status, no results. So there's no ID of status. Loaded. Is that for... We'll leave it on there. I will... we'll just leave it on there for now. Let's go ahead and keep going. Check if webcam is check if a browser you're using supports accessing camera via get user media. Check if webcam is access supported. Get user media supported. No parameters, return. We're gonna get a boolean. What is that? Media devices. Navigator. Where's the navigator? If webcam supported, add event listener to button for when user wants to activate it to call enable cam. If you get user media supported, boom boom. Enable webcam button. Oh, yeah, see why they do that? That's weird, bro. Why'd they do that? Enable webcam button. Add event listener. Click. Enable cam. Well, to enable cam. I don't see that. Okay, so here we have the enable cam. I'm guessing we're going to be using this one later. Function for next step, paste over this in the next step. Okay, cool. So now we're fetching the webcam. Fill out the code for previously empty enable cam. Function we defined above by copying. Okay, cool. If model, who knows what that is? But we have a model. And we have an event. To that event, we're gonna add a class list. We're gonna add the class remove. I still haven't seen anything about status. I did check earlier, but you know, nothing's there. Constraints. Okay, we have a little object here. True. Lastly, for this one specifically, we're gonna have a navigator. Media devices. This is the first time I've ever seen that one. Media devices. Get user media. Constraints. There we are. Constraints. We have a promise. Then with no name. And stream. Video. Object didn't want to, for some reason, didn't want to capitalize, but we moved. Predict webcam. Predict webcam. Kind of choked up there. Alright, and then finally, at the very end, we just add a few things here. We have a last function. Predict webcam. With nothing on here. Placeholder for the next step. And then we have a model. This is our model, the one that I was asking about earlier. True. Demo section. We're gonna add another class. Remove. Wait. This is outside? Remove. Pretend model has loaded so we can try out the webcam mode. Okay, I'm gonna need to try it out in a bit. Let's see how we're looking with the errors. So it's not loading up the Coco. That's what it's saying here. The status, yeah, it's not loading up. Should we keep moving or? At this point, if you actually run the current code as it stands and click the button once it becomes available, You should now see a live webcam view open after you accept access. So it's okay, so obviously there's an error here. The button's there. The button's there. I just can't click it for some reason. Yeah, it's not letting me click. Should we continue, or it's this one that it's not loading up for some reason? Coco SD. Maybe it's a different one. Maybe I didn't put it in. Maybe it's supposed to be like min.js or something. Let's look at, let's see. Maybe level 3? Where is it when I found it? I think I copied it. Let me see. It looks the same to me, but I might have changed it a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and reload it. Nope, still blank. Okay, so obviously there's some bug fixing to do. I'll do that in another video. I'm just gonna start from the beginning and just kind of look through all of it. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass video. Peace out.